Have you ever applied for a job, kept refreshing your email, and heard absolutely nothing back? Just silence. If that sounds familiar, the issue usually isn't your ability, it's your approach. Let's fix that. Customer experience is one of the fastest growing fields. Today, I'll show you 5 websites where they are actively hiring. First up is LinkedIn Jobs. It's one of the most powerful job search engines in the world. Recruiters search using keywords. If terms like customer success or Zendesk are missing from your profile, you're invisible. Next is Indeed. Use its filtering system to find remote options and company ratings that matter to you. Analyze the job description. If they mention CRM tools, highlight your specific CRM experience immediately. For purely remote roles, We Work Remotely is one of the best. Every job here is designed for remote workers. Prepare for remote interviews by practicing your answers on time management and productivity. Remote.co is built for remote-first companies. Remember, job titles vary, so search broadly. Finally, Crossover. They hire globally for higher-paying roles. The process is intense, but don't disqualify yourself. Show impact. Instead of writing answered emails, write resolved 80+ daily inquiries with a 95% satisfaction rate. Be consistent, be real, and keep improving. Your next opportunity is just one application away. Let's get to work.